Namaskar. Am I audible? Can you hear me?
Yes, good morning.
Yeah, thank you. So, good morning, everyone, and a very warm welcome to this session of sound healing. So, just take a few moments to be with yourself. You need not fold your hands and keep them together, just let them rest in your lap or wherever you are comfortable. Let the spine extend a little upwards so that your body begins to hold and support itself. And as the body adjusts itself in the most comfortable posture, a sense of ease begins to percolate in every cell. Become aware of how, with each breath that is coming in, the pranic energy is moving along the spine, climbing up from the base chakra to the crown, and how with each outgoing breath, the pranic energy moves down the spine. A lot of healing happens if we just start paying attention to the movement of prana. If we live life of unawareness, we miss the prana movement. We miss the intimate connection this body has with prana. And when we are unaware, prana begins to stagnate. There are pockets in our bodies where the prana is held. The channels through which it is moving, they start getting clogged. It may be inertia, it may be our wrong attitudes, it may be archaic belief systems, it may be emotional hurt. And because the prana is held, it is not moving, this block begins to show up in the body has some kind of discomfort. It may be pain, it may be muscle atrophy, it may be malfunction of any bodily system. So the intelligent way to deal with any of these issues is to be aware of prana and to make sure that we keep doing something or the other that makes the prana move. And when we keep the spine naturally straight, we are creating the environment in which the prana can move easily. Bring your awareness to the cave of the heart. It is the hub, the center of our being. This is from where all emotions are being felt. Install your guru in that cave. Actually, there is no need to install, the guru is always present. If only we were to look into this cave, mentally bow down to the guru. We will chant Om 3 times and do the Guru Vandana. So let us start. We will do the Guru Vandana. अखण्डमण्डलाकारम् व्याप्तं येन चराचरम् तत्पदं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। This universe is multi-layered. The most gross form in which we experience ourselves is this body. Breath is more subtle than the body. And breath brings in prana that keeps us alive. Prana is more subtle than the breath. Thought could be more subtle than the prana. Emotions which drive the thoughts could be subtler than the thoughts. We experience anger, resentment, attachment. How powerful these are. And ego is the subtlest. It is so clever that it appears in our hearts in the thought, I have no ego. And yet this is a statement made out of the ego. And what the first stanza that we chant, Akhanda Mandalakaram Vyaptam Yena Charachara. Oh, there are so many innumerable worlds which are coexisting. In forms that may appear to be animate or inanimate. But that principle which resides inside each one, which exists everywhere and which is guiding each one, is the Guru. And that all permeating principle, which is the common substratum of everything and everyone, has to be known. And when this recognition comes, we become established in the self. Because we are taking refuge in that eternal energy, which is the cause of everything, which creates, maintains and destroys. And after destruction, it goes back to its original unattached form. It is never lost, never will be. We can make efforts, but it is known only by grace, because it must decide to reveal itself. Until then, we search for it in various definitions, concepts, belief systems, forms and attributes. And this journey of life, or the story of our lives, is the search for that self, that effulgent pure energy which is supremely free. There is so much talk of freedom, but all this talk is illusory unless one knows one's true nature. So just close your eyes and look within yourself. Try to figure out where the self or the consciousness you may call as self is. And if you look within, you will find that everything is conscious. There may be these 70 trillion cells in our body, and each cell knows exactly what it has to do. It is performing its functions. And when the time comes, it also knows how to destroy itself and be replaced by a new cell. Such brilliant programming nature has done. It is not possible for us to isolate any single cell and say, oh, here it is, here is my cell. The entire body, every part of the body is conscious, functioning, has intelligence of its own. And this intelligence, which is supremely free, is Chaitanya, the conscious energy we can call the self. Talk to your plants, and they seem to respond. When we plant a tree, its roots know how to reach a source of water, and they start growing in that direction. When the density of trees grows in a forest, to get more chlorophyll or more sunlight, the trees instinctively become taller and taller. Who instills this great understanding in the trees? It is the beauty of the self, which is Chaitanya, supremely free. And you notice that you cannot find or isolate this Chaitanya. You cannot point your finger to it and say, "Oh, come friend, see, here it is." Because when you think of a friend, it is the Chaitanya that becomes the friend in your mind. So recognize everything and everyone, every circumstance as having an intimate connection with the divine energy of God is the first step to healing. So any part of the body you wish to heal, just put your attention there. And the moment you put your attention there, energy goes there. Use your own power of freedom of thought to send good energies. Visualize the area losing its stiffness. Visualize as the prana is moving and healing is going to happen. And to add to this healing, we will use the frequencies for the 7 chakras, and then we will come to some specific frequencies. This frequency is for improving blood circulation in the body. As the blood circulation increases, any pranic blocks begin to dissolve. And this is to enhance the effect of Jupiter in the conjunction of Mars and Jupiter in the present day. If benefic effects of Jupiter are enhanced, we are saved from impulsive behavior. That can get us into trouble. Jupiter enhances the qualities that help us grow. These sound frequencies are like receiving the Guru's blessings directly. And to really hold these blessings, or to hold the energy, we must rise above our limited considerations. and embrace the energy of forgiveness so that we can let go of feelings of guilt and shame and rise above our own resentment or anger or revenge. And when we get rooted in forgiveness, the emotional challenges or relationship challenges begin to dissolve. Because we are able to see how our own ego creates the challenge. So here is the frequency of harmonizing of relationships. If you have any entanglements, if there are any relationships that are troubling, there is need to examine them and see how our limited concepts about ourselves are responsible for creating a block. When we begin to realize that we are supremely free and so is the other person, then we can see the relationship challenges more as an interplay of competing egos. And we can play the game better, protecting ourselves from all kinds of vulnerabilities. And when we are on the path of resolution of relationships, the quality of appreciation may arise because we can see that those through whom we have received some challenges in life, they have become instruments of our growth. They have compelled us to learn something new. So listen to this frequency of appreciation. So any physical challenges we may be experiencing right now, those challenges are also our teachers. We might have had to learn some lessons in how to respect the body, keep it nicely, take care of its needs, not take it for granted. And for these lessons we must be grateful. And everything becomes possible with the frequency of love. So listen to this frequency of unconditional love. Continue to be with yourself. If any thoughts arise, just be more focused on your breathing, and those thoughts will disappear. Just have a stock of everything in your body and being. Every single cell has been raised to a high energy and frequency. The movement of prana in the body can be felt in the form of energy pockets or some vibrations, or it can be felt as a sense of ease. It may appear to you that the body has become completely hollow, and it is breathing on its own through some miraculous energy. Enjoy this state. We will end the session now, and you may come out of this state whenever you feel like. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May peace and auspiciousness prevail everywhere.